scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Market demand elasticity can be tricky, but we will solve this chocolate bar problem together in just a few quick and easy steps right now. First, we calculate total market quantities by adding Katie and Maximiliano together. At $1, they buy 4 bars total. At 50 cents, they buy 5 bars in the market. Next, we check total revenue at both price points. At 50 cents, revenue is $2.50. At $1, revenue increases to $4. This is key. Since total revenue and price move in the same direction, the demand must be inelastic. This confirms that option B is our correct choice today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush. Trust the given data to find the right elasticity.